Meaning of franking machine.
Franking machine.
Franking machine.
Franking machine.
Franking machine. A franking machine is a device used by businesses to accurately calculate and print postage for outgoing mail. The machine is typically leased from a postal equipment provider, and it enables users to pay for their mailings at a discounted rate compared to traditional postage stamps. With a franking machine, mail can be processed faster and with fewer errors. It reduces the likelihood of overpaying for postage and saves time spent on trips to the post office. Overall, the use of franking machines results in more efficient and cost-effective mail processing for businesses.